Hello everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to change country on Shein application. Now to do that, what you need to do is first open the Shein application from your phone device. Tap open the app. Once you're at the app, you need to log in first. So tap on me on the bottom right and then get logged in into the account of yours. Now once you are logged in, you go and tap on setting icon on the top right. Tap that. In this setting icon, you need to go to the location option. Tap on location. Here on the top will be your current location. And if you want to change it, all you have to do is select a different country from the options below. You just tap that country and your location will be changed right away. You can see the location change has been easily done. So this is a way how you can easily change country or location on Shein application. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.